Discover the hidden law of physics used to earn $632,450 trading binary options.
Hi, my name is David, and this is a 500 million year old Nautilus fossil. In a moment, I'm going to reveal how this ancient seashell will help you rake in $300 to $500 per day, every day, trading binary options. All without any scam trading robots or BS theories that have never been tested in live markets. You'll also discover a breakthrough trading method powered by a hidden law of physics and made possible by a man known as the Albert Einstein of his field. When I used it for the first time, I earned $632,450 in just 2 months. But not only am I going to reveal this unique method to you, I'm actually going to prove it works in the next few minutes by taking and profiting from live trades right before your eyes in this video. Before I get to that, I have to warn you, I've taught this technique to over 300 of my platinum coaching students around the world. Many of those students are now reporting results like this. It just goes to show, with the right method and dedication, it can happen. Eric P. of Spokane, Washington is doing it. Milfos did 4 wins and 2 losses, pocketing $190 in just 5 one-minute trades. I know this screenshot is a bit blurry, but Waleed went 30 wins, 0 losses with this strategy, pocketing almost $900.
Their method works. It's not a trading scheme or whatever. It's basically you look at the patterns. They teach you how to look at the patterns.
But I was able to take that account from $44 up to $1,900, a little over $1,900, in 8.5 weeks.
What would making that kind of income do to your life? And while each one of them paid $5,000 to get access to my method, if you watch this short presentation to the end, you'll have the opportunity to unlock it for free. Yes, I mean 100% free. But to be fair to the people who invested in my coaching program, I can only leave this presentation up for the next 24 hours. After that, it's gone, and gone for good. So this is literally your only chance to watch the video all the way through. And unless you love crippling your account with bad trades, or you secretly dream of working the 9 to 5 until you finally drop dead at your desk, you need to pay attention right now. Because the message you're about to hear is going to clue you into the biggest binary options breakthrough of our generation. A breakthrough that makes 80 to 90% accuracy child's play and account doubling returns inevitable. And the weird part is, I'd never have discovered it if not for the stupidest trading decision I ever made. My story starts in early 2014. I was working a full-time job as a computer programmer, and even though I was good at it, I remember being bored out of my mind. I hated my job, and I was constantly looking for a way to escape. When I found out about binary options, I was immediately interested. And when I found a company offering a binary options robot that would trade for me, my credit card was out of my wallet quicker than the blink of an eye. Within 24 hours, I deposited $2,000 in my account and turned the robot on. 3 hours later, I'd done $295 in profitable trades. By the end of the week, I was up to over $4,700, and I was literally counting down the days to when I'd buy my first Ferrari. Then, disaster struck. The robot stopped working. Losing trades came fast and furious, and 12 days later, I was busted down to only $13 and change in my account. It looked like I'd have to keep driving my rusted old Ford Fiesta for a while longer. I'd learned a valuable lesson though, and that lesson ultimately led to my biggest trading breakthrough and over $2 million in real-world, cash in the bank, profits. I call it the Black Swan Secret. You see, after I blew my account, I spent a lot of time on trading forums bitching and moaning about the scam robot I'd bought. And buried in the hundreds of unhelpful comments, one little message caught my eye. It was short. All the anonymous trader had posted was a link to the Amazon listing for The Black Swan by Nassim Taleb, and a message that said, "This is why you're broke. Read it and thank me later." Now, if you've never heard of Nassim Taleb, this is the guy who made a fortune predicting the Black Monday stock market crash in 1987, the dot-com bust in 2000, and even the subprime debt crisis in 2007 to 2008. He's a bona fide financial genius. So yeah, I read it, and this is what I discovered. It turns out that trading returns aren't smooth. They're lumpy. Big collections of wins and losses tend to clump together. And every now and then, a black swan event happens that's so big and so unpredictable, it throws everything out of whack. Just like on September 15th, 2008, when Lehman Brothers went under. And the reason why my robot busted out is that it needed smooth returns to work. In the right market conditions, it was a money-printing machine. But when the conditions shifted, it was only a matter of time before I'd nuke my account. Bottom line, robots don't work because they can't work. Now, I have to admit, that news bummed me out. But the next thing I learned became the key to my entire trading system and all the success I enjoy today. It was a lesson Nassim learned from his own mentor, an even more brilliant guy that some call the Albert Einstein of geometry. That man's name is Benoit Mandelbrot, and he is universally known as one of the greatest mathematicians of the 20th century. His work was so influential in the financial world, he even has an indicator named after him, the Mandelbrot indicator. And no, that's not what I'm sharing with you today. The method we've discovered is vastly more powerful. But like the Mandelbrot indicator, it works because of the most important practical discovery Benoit ever made, the secret fractal geometry of the market. Now, I know that sounds complicated, bordering on sciencey even, but I promise you, the concept is actually pretty simple. A fractal is really just an object that repeats the same pattern over and over at different scales. Remember the Nautilus shell? How it repeats over and over? That's a fractal. Now, look at this tree. Notice how the branches split up and spread out. They follow the same predictable pattern no matter how far they get from the trunk. That's a fractal. And then there's the most famous fractal of all, the Mandelbrot set. It repeats the same pattern no matter how far down you zoom. Once you know what the top-level pattern looks like, you immediately know what it will look like at any other scale. And here's the thing, because of the universal laws of physics, you can find fractals everywhere. Mandelbrot even found them in the price movements for stocks, bonds, options, and currencies. And when I heard that, I finally had my eureka moment. Remember when I said I was a computer programmer? That wasn't just a bit of throwaway backstory. I'm actually a certified white hat hacker. And when I set my mind to solving a technical problem, I always figure it out. That's why when I discovered the idea of fractal markets, I knew I had an opportunity. Because fractals are predictable. So I knew I could look at the longest time scale for a stock or currency and predict what would happen all the way down at the 60-second window, giving me hundreds of profitable entries, where my trades would literally be backed by the laws of physics. It took about 2 months to develop the strategy. Then I backtested it with over 1,000 hours of trading data. And it worked. It showed a decent profit, but I wasn't satisfied, so I dug deeper. It turned out that in most market conditions, my method worked perfectly, showing accuracy rates of 80 to 90%. In a handful of others, it busted out. What I needed was a way to confirm whether conditions were right before I entered a trade, so I wouldn't get trapped in any more losers. That's how I invented the guaranteed confirmation indicators. It took weeks of testing hundreds of different technical analysis tools, everything from popular indicators like stochastics and RSI, to rarer and weirder stuff like the income trader volatility indicator. Eventually, I found a combination that worked so well in backtesting, I had to run the test 3 times just to make sure the numbers were right. But they were right, and with this strategy in hand, things were looking up again for my Ferrari. Before I could celebrate, though, I knew I had to test it live. What happened next will change your life forever. Honestly, after the robot blew up my old account, I was a bit nervous about getting back into the market, but I believed in my work, so I took a leap of faith. The entries came quickly. In a single session, I was finding dozens of trades, all at the 60-second time scale. And the remarkable thing was that unlike any trading method I'd seen before, this was giving me 80 to 90% winners. I've recorded a more recent trading session so you can see what it's like.
Hi, my name is Yuri Nishenko and I'm David Nasitra's partner. In this video, he's going to be using the very same method that we're giving you for free as long as you watch this video to the end and trading live in front of your eyes. I want you to pay attention to the amount that he's taking per trade. He's taking 20,000 pounds per trade. Now, there's a lot of other videos, live trading videos below this video, but this is just a sneak peek, sneak preview of what this method can do to your life. Now, he just took his first 60-second trade, and look at that, 20,000 pound trade. The payout is 35,000 pounds. Of course, we fast forwarded the video so it doesn't take 5 or 6 minutes to show you the 3 trades. But there you go. The first trade is about to expire. Boom. 35,000 pound payout. He's gonna take another trade right now, again for 20,000 pounds. Guys, can you imagine taking a trade for 20,000 pounds with a payout of 35 or 36,000 pounds in just 60 seconds, making that kind of money in 60 seconds? Look at that. Another 60-second trade. In this case, it's 36,200 pound payout. This is just insane, and he just really wanted to do this in this video just to show you how powerful the method we're giving you for free really is. And again, second trade is about to expire. Boom, another 16,000 pounds. Now he's going to take another trade. He just took another trade, but accidentally he took it for 2 minutes, not 60 seconds, which is gonna win anyway. But if he took it for 60 seconds, it would be just a shorter trade, and still same payout, 35,000 pounds. $20,000 at stake, 35,000 pound payout. See, he would have won right now, but whoops, he took it for 2 minutes. But it's still going to win at the end of the trade because the setup was good. So guys, I just want you to see how powerful this method really is. Just imagine what it can do to your life. And look at that. Boom, he is winning the trade right now. Another 35,000 pound trade. Guys, he just made in like literally 5 minutes, David made over 45,000 pounds. That is insane. And this is the exact method that David is talking about that we're going to give you for free. This is the exact same method that he used. So I really want you to pay close attention at the end of the video. And right now I want to pass it over to David Nasitra again.
Okay, just now you have seen me take live trades right before your eyes. And within 2 months, that very method enabled me to grow my account from chicken scratch to over $632,450. I'd later go on to make over $2 million with this approach. But it didn't end there. I knew there were other traders suffering like I had. So with the help of elite trading coach Yuri Anishenko, we started teaching the method to a handful of platinum coaching students in a private Facebook group. Right now, Yuri is going to take you into that group and reveal the genuine, life-changing results they've experienced since signing up. It's a rough cut, but will give you a glimpse of the tremendous success our students are experiencing as we speak.
Okay, Yuri Nishenko here back with you, and in this short video I want to take you behind the closed doors into our secret Facebook group and show how successful our clients really are with the method that we're teaching them, trading binary options. So this is our group, Ouroboros Trading Network, and in this group our clients, we actually do daily trading webinars and we post the recording of those in the group, and our clients also post their winning results, their testimonials, if they miss a trade and it's a losing trade, they will also post it here and ask for feedback. Really a great environment for a beginning trader to become a master trader. Let's look at Wael Mustafa. He says, thanks a lot David Nasitra. The recent webinars made the difference for me. They reduced fake outs and boosted my confidence. These are my results after only 2 weeks of live trading. I could not imagine hitting 12 in the money trades in a row. And now I'm waiting for my first withdrawal from my broker. And look at this. He did 12 winning trades in a row, 1 miss and 2 more. So 14 trades winning, 1 losing. He took about $500 to the bank in just 1 trading session. Look at this guy right here, Mario. He says, David, I'm making the money for you while in webinar. And he did 8 winning trades, 4 losing trades here. And then he's like, take my laptop away, please. 6 winning trades, 1 losing trades for a total of 14 winning trades, 5 losing trades. Guys, this is like 75% in the money. I don't have my calculator with him, but that's something like that. Damn, talk about perfect entry, Mario again. Good, that's a very good entry. Charity 5-1 on the day with 16% account increase on the day. I feel like I'm really hitting my stride. Folks, this thing really does work. And this guy took about $500 to the bank just in one trading session. Again, Charity says 4-0 in the session, $440 in less than 30 minutes. I missed a few of them that I would have won. I knew where the trade was going, trade was going, but was hesitant on the entry, blah, blah, blah. David Nasitra, no charts, pure price action using broker charts off my phone. Oh, wow. No matter what, I get paid. Of course, this guy always gets paid. So he took $5,000 trade. He lost $5,000. He won $87.50. He won $15,000 trade. He won $25,000 trade. He won. This guy made a lot of money. I don't know, like $30,000 in this session in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. And the main thing is, when you get our method down, you can do big trades. You can do $5 trades when you're just learning it, or $10, $20 trades. Once you master the method, you can go crazy on this, and you can like give yourself a month or so, master the method, practice on small account, and then go into the big account, and where you can make the big money.
Now, what if you had the opportunity to unlock those kinds of trading results? 80 to 90% accuracy, rapid account doubling, and total financial freedom. All 100% for free. I bet that's something you'd want to hear more about. And that's exactly the opportunity you have today with the Nautilus method. Here's the deal. Because of the life-changing power of this system, I want to get it in the hands of a lot more traders than the 300 platinum students I have right now. So for the next 24 hours, and only the next 24 hours, it will be 100% free. There's only one condition, and it's nothing sneaky. While I am willing to give my entire 7-figure trading method away to anyone who truly wants it, I refuse to give it to anyone who isn't serious about trading. If you are the kind of person who is too lazy to answer the door when opportunity comes knocking, you will not get access today or ever. But if you're willing to seize the moment, this just might be the most important day of your life. So this is what you need to do to get access. Click the button beneath this video. Pick a binary options broker of your choice. Set up an account and make a deposit. When your deposit hits the account, I'll be notified, and I'll know that you are the real deal and not some wannabe trader. The Nautilus method will be unlocked instantly, and you can go ahead and start scalping profits with it right away. You'll find dozens of profitable entries in any trading session and accuracy rates of 80 to 90% plus. And you'll watch in awe as your account size explodes over the next few weeks, just like it did for these guys.
Hi guys, my name is Adil, and I'm giving testimonials about David Urey and Ouroboros Network. They are really genuine people. I've been involved with many people. I've wasted a lot of money, but since I came into this group, I have learned a lot. David is a really good teacher, and he tells you the ways which nobody's teaching. And Yuri was very helpful towards me as well. I definitely would recommend those guys, and I would definitely recommend this group. Thank you.
Ouroboros Trading Group, what can I say about it? I could say that it works. Their methods that are being taught are simple. The rules are easy to follow. All you have to do is follow them to a T, and they work. No deviation from any of the rules that are there, and you're going to succeed. I've been succeeding with it. I've only been a member since June 26th, I believe, and I've been consistently trading at 87 to 90% success rate. I don't ever trade more than 12 times a day. I mean, what can I say? I mean, the proof is in the pudding. The starters of the group, you know, they're making money hand over fist with their trading methods, and they're teaching people the right way to do it. You have the opportunity to post your failures or post the trades that didn't go out well, and you could talk about them. I mean, it's crazy awesome. It's crazy good. I'd recommend this group to anybody. If you want to PM me or get in touch with me, my name is Scott Ames. I'm on in the Facebook group. So, yeah, PM me and I'll send you my screenshots and let you see how much it works.
Did I mention accuracy rates of 80 to 90% plus? We want to help you make it happen. just like we helped Ernie B. of Reno, Nevada. But that's not all. We're also going to invite you into a private VIP Facebook group with hundreds of other traders who are all using the same method. It's a real community of profitable traders where you'll get all the support and insight you need to start earning right away. And then, Yuri and I will be hosting live Q&A training webinars where we will literally answer any and all questions you might have about our strategy. On the calls, we'll knock out any obstacles that might be getting in the way of your success. And the calls won't end until all your questions are answered. So you can be absolutely confident that you'll master the Nautilus method for yourself. Now, maybe you're wondering, isn't this too good to be true? If that thought has entered your head, I don't blame you. I've shown you some amazing results and shared stories of lives changed practically overnight. It's only natural for you to be a little skeptical. Think of it this way, though. When you set up your brokerage account and discover the Nautilus method for yourself, you don't need to trade live right away. You can test it to your heart's content in demo trading and prove to yourself beyond any doubt that it works. And because you're not paying a dime for access today, that means there is no risk to you. You can't lose. You can only win. So take action right now. Click the link below this video and set up your brokerage account today. It only takes a few minutes, and once your account is funded, you'll unlock instant access to the Nautilus method. Imagine what your life will be like a week or a month from now. Your account will have doubled or tripled in size, or more. You'll have mastered the market in ways you never thought possible. Money worries will have become a thing of the past, and the things you want and need in life will finally be within reach. And you can make it happen right now, today, with no risk to yourself, simply by clicking the link below and following the instructions. I'll see you on the other side. Thanks. David Nositra signing off.